Your tenacity overrules the gusts of fate, and this fay you have pleased. With shelter overhead and tool in hand, you've proven yourself ready. Now attend me. Built over the heart of this realm lies a site of power. Long ago, it was named and sealed by your kind, but longer still, it housed the knowledge of the Empyrean network. What awaits is no simple task. A monument of such magic attracts the weak like flies to sweetest honey, and the realm's heart has ways of making lambs into lions. Take these elixirs, seek the site of power, and overcome whatever guardians await within. Then thou shalt obtain the final key to lands unknown. Among the summer court, there is no want of fresh merriment for our human guests. Mushroom glazed in dulcet lapis, boujum roast-topped with evergold. With such a taste for finery, I imagined your kind would rejoice, preparing nonpareil dishes with the fare that now surrounds thee. It seems, however, thou wouldst prefer to sup on the same sordid morsels, meal after meal. I suppose we must be glad the rest of the summer fae are not around to witness such bland tastes.